Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will basically show you guys how you can place a sticker or something underneath like an object, like behind it, like I'll show you in a minute. I'll copy and paste the media here. Also works with the with video, sorry. Then go to cutout in video, select auto cutout. Then you are going to hit the stickers button right here and you're going to find a sticker that you want. Going to try to find like wings maybe and like add that on behind her. So for instance, this one will be behind the object. Then here I'm just gonna delete that, and then I'm going to type in crown and I'm going to place that over the object. I like this one a little bit better because it's cute. Something like that. Or actually, I'm like finding stickers to put on. Let's see. This time I want you. I'm just gonna place I'm like spending so much time doing this, but here I'm going to place that there, and I'm also going to place one behind it, and I think I'm going to crop this out, so create compound clip, and I'm going to go to mask and I'm going to select the rectangle one, and I'm just going to, I don't think it really makes a difference, but it actually doesn't, so let me just delete that one and like place it here. And then you can add some more stuff for behind the object, maybe like flowers, and place it behind. Let's see which one has like a bunch of flowers, like this one. I'm just going to place it underneath the object like so, and I'm going to place it to the left as well as to the right. This one is kind of like not behind, but like it's fine. We're just going to leave it like that, and that is pretty much it. That's how you can add in stickers behind your object on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And if this video was helpful, please click the thanks button. I think I said that, but thank you so much for watching. Bye!